Crypto slang you should know. HODL, hold on for dear life. Don't panic sell, just chill through the dips. FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't chase green candles when the price pumps. WAGMI, we're all gonna make it. It's pure bullish energy and community confidence. Do your own research. Never invest blindly. Always verify and double check. Ape In. Jumping into a trade impulsively without research, high risk, high regret. Rekt. Slang for massive loss, like when your portfolio drops by 50% overnight. Bagholder. Someone stuck holding a coin that's way below their buy price. Knowing this slang isn't just for fun. It helps you navigate the crypto market, read the room, and avoid rookie mistakes. But if you're using CryptoCrispy AI, you don't have to worry about all this lingo. Our smart assistant handles the research, signals, and decisions, so you can trade smarter without the jargon. CryptoCrispy, smarter trading for everyone.